Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Laundry Detergent Drip Tray is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any laundry room, designed to catch those annoying drips and spills that inevitably happen when dispensing liquid detergent, keeping your countertops, shelves, and floors clean and free from sticky residue, ultimately saving you time on cleanup and preserving the pristine look of your laundry space. Number 5. Laundry Detergent Drip Catcher. Are you constantly dealing with drips and spills from your laundry detergent bottles? It's a common frustration that can lead to sticky messes and wasted product. Say goodbye to those annoying leaks with our innovative drip catcher. This simple yet effective accessory is designed to keep your laundry area clean and tidy. Designed to fit most economic-sized laundry detergent bottles, it securely holds the cap and spout, preventing any drips from escaping. Enjoy a cleaner laundry experience. With this holder, you can ensure no more leaks or messy puddles on your shelves or floor. It's incredibly easy to attach and remove, making your laundry routine smoother. Plus, it's simple to clean, ensuring long-lasting use. This convenient 2-pack ensures you have one for every bottle you use. Keep your home spotless and your detergent usage efficient. What we like? This drip catcher is designed to fit most economic-sized laundry detergent bottles, ensuring no more leaks or messes. If you're tired of sticky residue around your detergent bottles, this is the perfect solution for a cleaner laundry routine. What people say. The tray is designed to catch any drips from the laundry detergent bottle, preventing messes on the floor or countertop. It has a raised edge that helps contain spills effectively. The compact size makes it easy to place next to the washing machine without taking up too much space. Number 4. IMPRESA Laundry Detergent Cup Holder and Drip Catcher. Are you tired of dealing with messy spills and drips in your laundry room? We have the perfect solution to keep your space clean and organized. Simply slide this holder under your detergent container. Its durable design catches any leaks, providing a reliable drip tray for your laundry needs. No matter the size of your detergent tub, this holder fits seamlessly. It's designed to work with any dispenser, making liquid detergent management easy. This set comes with 2 drip catchers, ideal for both detergent and fabric softener. Get comprehensive drip protection and minimize cleanup time. The weight of your detergent dispenser keeps it securely in place. Enjoy a tidy laundry room with this simple yet effective gadget. Elevate your laundry routine with this sturdy and efficient drip tray. It's an indispensable tool for a cleaner, more organized laundry space. What we like? This drip catcher offers a universal fit for any detergent container and is incredibly easy to set up by simply sliding it under the bottle. With 2 included, you get double the protection for both detergent and fabric softener. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to manage spills from multiple laundry products, this set is ideal. What people say. It's easy to use, collects the drips in one place, and just requires a quick rinse off about once a month. It catches all the excess that drips off, and I have never had a problem with them falling off. This little gadget has become such a staple in my household, its use has become so ingrained I forgot it existed. It sets under the detergent bottle, and after I pour out the detergent I need, it catches the drips. Number 3. Spacewiser Small Silicone Tray. Introducing the Spacewiser Original Silicone Tray, your versatile solution for a clutter-free home. Its thoughtful design makes it perfect for any room. Crafted from premium food-grade silicone, this tray is safe, durable, and free from harmful additives. It's built to last in your busy household. Forget about fragile trays. Ours is shatterproof, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and even areas with children. It's a worry-free addition to your home. Designed for wet areas, this tray is completely waterproof and won't warp or discolor. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Its compact size is perfect for holding soap dispensers, sponges, keys, or trinkets. It fits seamlessly into your kitchen or bathroom decor. With heat resistance up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and a slip-resistant surface, it protects your countertops from heat and scratches. It's also great for catching spills. What we like? This tray is made from premium food-grade silicone, making it shatterproof, waterproof, and heat-resistant. Its versatile design means it can be used anywhere from the kitchen sink to the bathroom vanity. If you need a durable, multi-purpose tray that can handle spills and look stylish, this is a great choice. What people say. The tray is designed to catch any drips from the laundry detergent bottle, preventing messes on the floor or shelf. It has a raised edge that helps contain spills effectively. The material is durable and easy to clean, making maintenance simple. Number 2. Arm and Hammer Folding Laundry Detergent Cup Caddy. Are you tired of dealing with messy detergent cups? We have the perfect solution for you. Keep your laundry space tidy and organized with this innovative caddy. Introducing the Folding Laundry Detergent Cup Caddy. This clever accessory is designed to hold your detergent cup securely and neatly. Its unique folding design allows it to be stored away easily when not in use. Save space in your laundry room or closet with this compact solution. Using it is simple. Just place your detergent cup in the caddy, and it stays put. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. Crafted from durable materials, it's built to last. This practical caddy will simplify your laundry routine and keep things organized. Make laundry day a little less cluttered. Get your folding laundry detergent cup caddy today and experience the difference. What we like. This cup caddy features a convenient folding design, making it incredibly space-saving when not in use. It's perfect for those with limited laundry room space. If you value practicality and easy storage for your detergent cup, this folding caddy is a smart pick. What people say. The drip tray is designed to catch any residual detergent that might drip from the dispenser, preventing messes on the floor or countertop. It has a sleek and unobtrusive design that blends well with most laundry room aesthetics. The tray is easy to clean, simply requiring a quick wipe down or rinse. Number 1. TidyFriend Liquid Laundry Detergent Holder Stand. Introducing the TidyFriend Laundry Detergent Holder Stand. Keep your laundry space neat and organized with this essential accessory. This stand is designed for optimal laundry room organization and storage. It provides a dedicated spot for your detergent, preventing spills and clutter. Featuring a convenient drip tray, it catches any excess liquid, ensuring your surfaces stay clean. No more sticky messes to worry about. With rubber grip feet, it stays firmly in place, offering stability even when in use. You can trust it to hold your detergent securely. This versatile holder also functions as a dispenser for fabric softener and includes a handy cup holder. It's a multifunctional addition to your laundry routine. Available in a stylish black with print finish, it complements any laundry room decor. It's the perfect blend of practicality and aesthetics. What we like. This holder stand comes with rubber grip feet for excellent stability and a stylish print to enhance your laundry room decor. It's designed for superior organization and storage of your liquid detergent and fabric softener. If you're looking for a functional and aesthetically pleasing solution to keep your laundry area tidy, this stand is a fantastic option. What people say. This drip tray is a game changer for keeping my laundry area clean. No more puddles or drips on the floor when I refill my detergent bottle. The design is simple yet effective. It fits perfectly under my detergent dispenser and catches every drop. I love how easy it is to clean. Just a quick wipe down and it looks good as new. It really prevents messes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.